The iPad AED pads are both for adults and children, so it's exactly the same pad, and there's indicators on them exactly where to put them, whether it be for an adult or a child. The pads themselves, you need to just keep a look at them, make sure that the outer packaging has not been damaged at all, because if the packaging has been damaged, then what you're going to do is end up drying out the pads and they won't stick and they won't be able to work as effectively as they should be. So a visual inspection of the pads is just to make sure the plug is all okay, there's no damage down the cable, the packaging is as it should be. You can see the little nicks here where you would actually open up the pads. Just make sure that they're not torn and there's no other visible damage. Turn the pads over and again have a good close look and see to make sure there's nothing wrong with them. On the back here you'll see the expiry date of the pads, and also you've got the reference numbers on here so we know exactly which pads these are, so if there was a problem they can be tracked. The pads fit easily on the side, so just take the AED, slide it over, and if you just pop that in, you'll see the cable will slide in as well, and you're just pushing it in so that you just leave out the tab that says pull, so it makes it nice and easy when you want to remove it. And then take the plug, push it in, and if you just look before that, you'll see that the indicator there shows the pad sign, but it's not fully filled in. It would indicate the pads are not connected. So what you need to do then is actually apply the pads, push that in, and as you see, the pad symbol has now filled in to be all black. So if we just remove that, you'll see that the pad symbol goes, and also when the pads are removed, you'll see a flashing red light on the front. So it's quite easy to see when you're doing your checks. If there is a problem with the pads and not connected, you'll see the flashing red light. So we push that back in. Once you pushed it back in, just slide the pads towards the back, check the display is all okay. And also you can do another check just to make sure everything's all right by just turning the unit on.
Call emergency medical services now. Adult mode.
And then just turn that off.
All of the system shutting down.
So it's not coming up with any errors, so it was working fine. The pads are connected. And this is part of the checks that you can do regularly when you look at your AED, just making sure there's not a damage to any of the pads and that they're all ready to be used in an emergency.